Why are you spraying my kayak? Huh? There are a few little bullies in this river, so... What are you doing? Go away! Oh my days. The absolute bin chickens. They just see me and they just come rearing and try and like splash me with water and... Bro, what? Yeah! Hey Dad. Well, if you want to come and pick me up, you can, eh? Because there's these like a group of like 30 teenagers on like a bunch of boats. They just come and like spray water at me and do donuts. And then I pulled up on the bank and they started throwing rocks at my kayak.